Unlock the secrets to privacy on Facebook. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to effortlessly hide your friends list. Stay tuned till the very end to avoid any pitfalls. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's dive in. First of all, open your Facebook app. Now tap on menu icon chilling at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Now click on Settings. Now smoothly search for friends in search bar. Within seconds, the results will pop up. Now the crucial step, tap on Who can see your friends list. Currently set to public, but we're about to change that. Tap on Public. If you're aiming for the ultimate privacy, select Only Me. And from now on, your friends list becomes your exclusive secret. That's it. Your friends are now safely hidden on Facebook. Master the art of online privacy with this quick tutorial. If it helped you, show some love with a like, and don't miss out on future tips. Hit subscribe.